Yeah, I got a new keyboard and I can't wait to show you what I got. All right, so today I am replacing this guy, the Logitech, it was his 915 Light Scribe metal keyboard with a brand that I don't know if you know about. So let's see how good it is and let's see what she's got. All right, so this is the Mchose or MC Hose. Honestly, I should have asked him how to pronounce this name because I feel like I'm butchering it. This is a Japanese company, obviously, because well, uh, it's in some Japanese or Chinese. I'm ignorant and I don't know the difference, so I don't know the language. So, yeah. So I wanted to replace my keyboard, and I actually reached out to them. I saw a couple videos online, and I was like, huh, well, let me see what their newer stuff is about. With technology changing, I don't think you need to spend $100 to $300 on a keyboard, especially when you have all this new technology that's coming out. It might not have a Logitech brand name on it, or a stamp of a big name, a big company to warrant a large price tag. So these smaller companies are using relatively the same technology, putting their name on it, but they're not as big, so things are drastically cheaper. This keyboard is $79 on Amazon. I think it even had a coupon when I bought it. I think you could have got it for like 65 bucks. I'm not sure what to expect here, but I reached out to them. I said, you know what? I'm interested. I'm trying to replace my keyboard. You guys look like an interesting company, good reviews. I want to check it out. And they said that they would supply this keyboard to me. So first off, this box is heavy. This box is much heavier than I expected, to be honest. I don't have a fancy jerry rig knife, so I got myself a fancy Walmart pair of scissors. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we got. All right, it's a box inside of a box. That's good. Which means, they want to make sure that your stuff is protected. So far, so good. I like it. And I like to keep boxes like this, It's always good to have. All right. I'm not going to go too deep into an unboxing. It's a keyboard. It's not too crazy, but plastic protectant, a guide, how to use the keyboard. I'm guessing it's probably for like RGB and stuff like that. This is RGB. Now that we're kind of talking about this, let me just give you some quick information about this keyboard. So this keyboard, 1 millisecond top speed, ergonomic design, 8,000 milliamp battery. That's a good sized battery. It's metal, gasket structure, pre-lube switches. Pre-lube's good. Hot-swappable 5-layer sound absorption. So I don't know. It's Bluetooth 5.0, wireless 2.4, and Type C. So Type C is the big one for me because that G15, this thing, real quick, that's a nice keyboard, but it's micro USB. It's like all flimsy and stuff. It's stupid. Type C is the way to go. This is what we're looking at here. So let's see what we got. Wow, this thing is hefty. All right, before we dive into that, what else we got in here? We've got so here's the keyboard. You can see it over here, but the keyboard here, very nice. Let me show you up there. You guys can see it. It's white. I got this. It's kind of bright. It's white and like baby blue. Ooh, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh. It's just a few clicks. I like it. Hold on. All right. So we've got. Oh, got it. Looks like a keycap remover. Few key switches, I'm not sure what that's about, and a Type-C cable. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward stuff. And a box. So let's put this stuff over here. And yeah, all right, let's take a peek at this thing. This thing, all right, I just tapped on this a few times. Wait, let me fix this camera. Hold on. All right, so first of all, I just tapped on this. Very nice. Just let's see if we can
Get the fuck
this. Whoa, this is. Yeah, this is like the best sounding. I like it because it's like soft but clicky, soft and clicky. That's they need to put that in their advertisement somewhere. It's soft but clicky. Like, listen to this. This is this guy. Let's dive into this. So we've got Type C in the back, as you can see. Type C. Yep, Type C in the back. What else we got? We got a switch over here. I should probably read the directions. That's, you know, it's a keyboard. I think one of these is going to be Bluetooth. Oh, you know what? I don't even need the directions. Bluetooth, cabled, or wireless. So in theory, I'm willing to bet you could probably change the profiles on this. You know, one profile could be wireless for your, I don't know, your computer, and one could be Bluetooth for your, I don't know, phone. You know, you could probably change the profiles like that real quickly without like unplugging dongles and stuff. That's pretty cool. So let's do. So if there's a dongle, where's a dongle? Where would a? Ooh, look at underneath this. This thing got some. It says open. All right. I almost don't want to open this right this second. I think I'm gonna pause this and take some quick B-roll shots. Let's try. So we've got. So there must be a dongle. So underneath this thing, there must have been a. This is open. Okay, hold on. I feel like this is open. Open? Open. I wonder if this comes open. And I think it's just stuck. So hold on. All right. Because this looks like it comes up. Let me see here. Does this sticker come up? I kind of feel like it does because the sticker's not fully on in the back. But it should come with a dongle. I don't want to break it. Press. Okay, so that's 2. Press 2.4. I don't want to break it. It says open. Why would it say open? Oh, maybe because of this. Open? Was that for this? I'm not sure why it says open. Let me just see. Maybe there's something I'm missing. All right, so let's look at the directions. Yes, I'm looking at directions for a keyboard, upside down, for that matter. Oh, aha. So this is supposed to be like. So this was that open was just to peel it off. So it wasn't. Yeah. But this was a press. But this is supposed to do. Looking at this, it's supposed to do. Okay, press the combination F1 key. Wires hold for 3 seconds until the blue light flashes quickly. Wait, that is wireless 2.4. So you know what? I bet you have to put. Ooh, RGB. Get the heck out of town. I will say that the. God damn it. I will say that the RGB is not doing it justice on camera, but it's very good. That's wireless. top corner of the keyboard and take out the USB dongle. It says press. Oh, I see. It's on a swivel. Oh, okay. All right, so this is... Oh, it's a magnet. Okay. And that's how it opens up, which is actually kind of cool. I like it. And then you find your dongle. Your dongle's in here. Which I probably use the 2.4 because it's going to be the best out of the two. And I want to put this like that. Okay. Plug this guy in over here. Let's see, let's test this thing out. Let's just type. Ooh. Oof. I'm telling you, this thing, it may it's gotta be the best. It has to be the best sounding keyboard, honestly. And it's very premium. I really like the LEDs on this thing are very nice. Let me see if there's a way to change the color. Usually there is like a key combination. Remember, I just opened this just like with you guys. So display power, function B for battery. So if I do function B, okay, so that's green. If you look right there, it turns it to green. They said green means it's good. All right, so I'm going over this thing right now, and their directions are a little difficult, I think. But then again, I didn't know how to open up the back door of this USB thing. But there are a lot of different options. There's like different cycle, speed, brightness, colors. Change the color of this little green thing that's right here. It's got all different types of stuff. I think it just, once you figure out the key combination of what you want. Personally, I don't like the wavy thing. But there's so many different... There's a lot of different functions. Looks like there's probably 25 different function and somethings that you can do, which I feel like it's kind of a lot. But it's got you covered. Kind of sucks if you're trying to like do something and you can't do it, so I guess it's better to have that, you know? So I think that's good. This might be worth to actually keep the instructions, so I would probably hold on to it. For right now, I'm just going to leave this like this, but initially, this thing is very nice. First of all, it looks fantastic on my desk. This is like a gray background. And just the way it feels, the typing experience is absolutely crazy. I've never heard a keyboard like this, ever. I'm very happy with this. Any recommendations? I would say, I don't know. I think it's good. I think this is just a stupidity part of mine, but I like how that works. Type C is right dead center in the middle, which is good. I'm not sure why this thing says open in the back, so maybe just it said open. Maybe it should say peel. Peel? I don't know. Or you don't even have to put anything on there. I think people know to peel that off. I don't think there's anything back behind here. Honestly, it's a keyboard. I can't see any upgrades at this point. I'm gonna give it a test. I'm gonna do some gaming with this thing. You know, this is kind of like my review channel of certain things, but I also have a gaming channel. Popeye's What Cactus. I know. I don't know what the hell it means either, but I'll drop a link in the description. I'm also gonna drop a link of their store. My Amazon link, it's affiliate. I'm also going to throw their website and their Amazon store. Also, they requested that, which makes sense. Yeah, I'm just going to post this as is. And I think the fact that the company wanted an honest review and didn't, go any which way, I think it's good. So, yeah, happy gaming. If you got any questions about this, I'll try to answer them. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to end it here, and yeah, thank you. And you know what? I really need to figure out how to say their names. I mean, I don't think it's not MC Hose. It's probably like Mchose. I'm terrible. If you're watching this, I need to know how to say the name of this company because I think it's very good. All right, thank you. Take care. Bye.